Let's summarize what we've tried to cover in the past few hours. Although there are differences in hybrids, they have many common components and systems that function in very similar ways. And you've got to understand, you must always observe safety precautions. The amount of power we're talking about in these systems is almost unimaginable. Now, you're going to use the information in this class to diagnose and repair the vehicles that show up in your service bay. We hope you've given enough that you'll have at least a starting spot. But this is just the starting point to becoming a hybrid expert. It's going to take more work. But we make our commitment. We are committed. Bill Peak and Doc Knoll are committed to making you a hybrid expert and make you profitable. It's up to you to take this information, market it to your customers, and get the hybrids in your shop. But we'll give the information to make you profitable if you'll do your half. We're working on the second stage right now on your journey toward excellence. We're busy studying hybrid scan data so you don't have to spend your time trying to figure out all the acronyms, what it all means, and how you interpret it. You had a small preview of how we're going to take all this information and look at details. We used a little bit to look at things like regenerative braking and to show you what's happening there and a few other systems and to study the battery diagnostics. We did all of this without taking anything loose or disconnecting anything, and we see scan data as the way of diagnosing hybrids in the future. It's going to be the data you're going to use for in-depth diagnoses in the next step of your program. And we will determine what is possible with aftermarket scan tools. Everybody keeps saying, which scan tool will I use? We are seeing great progress made by people like OTC because we've been watching theirs and it's been making good progress, and we expect it to be fully usable in the near future. So people ask us about other brands. We can't tell you about other brands because they don't cooperate with us, but we have seen the OTC stuff, and it is definitely looking better. Now, I want to thank you for all this time. If you have a question, you have something you want us to look at, email us, Doc or me, Bill Peak. And if you want to see our videos, they're on newobd2.com. Go there, and you can study these type programs at your leisure at home.